Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Tap your right heel in time with the music as you lower your right arm for 2 counts, then extend your right arm over to the left as you step in place on your right foot. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you move your right arm over to the right, then continue moving your arm to the right as you step back over to the left with your left foot before bringing your right foot over to meet it. Bring your right fist down to your hip as you slide your right foot over to the right, then back so that you are facing to the right, and bring the heel of your left foot up to bend your left knee. Straighten, then bend your left knee twice. Step forward on your left foot as you lower your arms, then move your arms up to either side as you cross your right foot over your left foot, step back to the left on your left foot, then back to the right on your right foot. Step back on your right foot, then bring your left foot over to meet it as you wave your arms to the right before doing this move in the opposite direction. Extend your right arm up and to the right again, then lower your arms to your sides as you take 3 steps back, starting on the right foot before planting your left foot over to the left. Put both fists on your hips and move your right foot to the right a bit more as you turn your upper body to the left and nod once. Bend your knees and nod again, then stand back up and nod at the camera before turning to the right and nodding once again. Lean forward and extend your left arm over to the right, then swing it over to the left, letting your right arm follow when your left arm is about halfway to the other side. When your right arm is over to the left, stand back up, put your left fist on your hip, and bend your right elbow to bring your right fist near your left side. Tap your right heel in time with the music as you move your right hand with your index finger extended over to the right until you are pointing at the camera. Step back a bit on your right foot as you extend your right arm up and your left arm down, then swing your arms clockwise to bring your right fist down to your hip as you bend your left knee and your left elbow so that your fist is near your shoulder. You should be facing to the right. Pull your left elbow back as you straighten your left leg and bend your right knee, then extend your left arm straight out in front of you as you bend your left knee again. Repeat these 2 moves. Put your left fist on your hip and turn to face slightly to the left, bending your right knee to the left, then turn slightly to the right, bending your left knee to the right as you extend your right arm up. Shake your right fist twice. Open your right fist and move your right hand down a bit. Plant your right foot over to the right as you move your right hand over near your left shoulder. Move your right hand, palm facing out, up and to the right before stepping in place on your right foot, then bringing your left foot over to meet it. Begin lowering your right arm as you step over to the left on your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it. Bring your right fist down to your hip as you slide your right foot over to the right, then back so that you are facing to the right, and bring the heel of your left foot up to bend your left knee. Straighten, then bend your left knee twice. Step forward on your left foot as you lower your arms, then move your arms up to either side, palms facing down, as you cross your right foot over your left foot, step back to the left on your left foot, and then back to the right on your right foot. Lower your arms as you step in place on your right foot, then bring the toes of your left foot up and to the left. Raise your arms again as you step back on your left foot before tapping the toes of your right foot down in front of you. Lower your arms slowly as you step in place 4 times, starting on the right foot. Hop back on your right foot as you bring your left foot up behind you and swing your right arm up and back before putting your left fist on your hip, bringing your left foot down ahead of your right foot and swinging your right hand forward so that you are pointing to the camera. Pull your right fist back twice as you turn your heels toward the camera twice, then extend your right arm forward again and move your heels back. Swing your arms out and up as you hop on your left foot and bring your right foot up behind you. Bring your right foot down toward the camera so that you are turned to the left as you clasp your hands near your chest. Move your clasped hands up, then back down twice as you turn your heels towards the camera twice. Plant your right foot over to the right as you swing your arms in and down, then plant your left foot over to the left as you swing your arms outward, then back in until your fists are near your chest. Tilt your head to the right, then quickly tilt it to the left as you bend your knees inward before standing back up. Tap your right heel in time with the music as you move your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent and your palms facing out, then lower your arms. Step forward on your right foot, pointing your toes to the right, and begin turning to the right, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as you continue turning to the right. Step behind your left foot with your right foot, pointing your toes more toward the camera, then bring your left foot up to meet your right foot. End by bending your right knee to the left, putting your left fist on your hip, pointing up and to the right with your right hand, and looking in the same direction.
終わらせた